ekuthule bandleni ithi ngayibaki ne ithi ngayibaki ithi nganitsheli lutho ithi nginyekele nizozibonela but nazi mina when I see one church, okay, maybe it's just me, I don't know, bro, but I have been hearing kuzophakama izidalwa everywhere. Yeah, when I say everywhere, yeah, this week alone I've seen 5 churches. The other church I'm still looking for it. As soon as I find the name of that church, because I just saw a clip, bro. So I've been looking for it and I get told. So I have to check if Icona on Facebook or other platforms outside from YouTube. Because go YouTube and say, Angitopiluto. So due to the way this video was shot, so we are reacting to Inyoni Enama Pigo Ice Tupa. I said that without stuttering. Wow. Uzophakama izida. Now it's gonna be short because it's just that extra video that I put in there for you guys to see. So this one's don't mind. And I'm gonna leave it as like 3 minutes, so let's get to it. They executed it. Bye Bambilongo execute! Bye Bambilongo execute! Execute! Damn! 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 But I think oh man! Ask me why I say so. Ask me why I say so. My age is the one backing on this song, right? I don't know her full name. My age. So ingoma ithi kuyophakama izidalwa. She's always backing. So Muziyo. Hey! Hey! Yabona Inyoni is attentive. 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 Very attentive. Damn! That lady sounds like her, bro. Yo, but Pastor Cross and my age. If she's seen it, it's fine, but she must watch this one specifically. Because in session, I might just drop the music video. As do me cross Ninketa. You're like driving Zion crazy right now. You're like driving Zion crazy right now. You're like driving Zion insane. Zion hours to Wednesday. They can't contain themselves. Now you guys will be obligated to sing the song whenever you guys show up. and I'm gonna be there for all. Yonke. Hey guys, hey, we have a new problem. New challenge. If you don't post anything on TikTok without using this song, as like nyadlala, nyadlala before ningila, yo. This person who's begging here, bro, she's killing it, bro. She is killing it. She is killing on my age, wherever she is, she has to be proud of herself. She has to be proud. Like she has to be proud. That lady has to be proud. That lady comes far, very far. I mean, super far, very, very. I wanna sometimes, but be patient, bro. And there's crazy how there's a comment I saw. Kunengoma bengi. I was listening to it. Somebody says sometimes division is always God's plan. And then someone, I'm a very logical person, right? This person who comment what division causes expansion. Guama cells in body cells, when body cells divide, they grow. And I was like, damn! I was like, "Oh, young mom, why I'm saying so? Sometimes you have to wait for the right time for you to spread your wings and fly. We know you have beautiful wings, but it's not the time for you to fly. And I just feel like this was the right time, bro. Some way, somehow, this was a right time. And I'm a give a big shout out to Inyoni for executing is like this, bro. Wirala. I forgot to charge this guy. Wirala. Jesus. Anyway. You. Ah. Hey. Let's say Gugire. It's getting old. It is getting older. It's cooking. It is cooking. Yang bam, astum. Is it who I think it is? The thing is, I'm not sure if if it's the lady that I'm thinking of. My sister, I keep forgetting your name. I keep forgetting your name. I know the description things where you keep hammer and just some people may look sugar. But une piercing here. Is it her? Is it the lady that's I keep calling you come like I was on your page just a couple of days ago. Because I think the kuna the video I said that I love that video so bad. But don't go mess up believers and then we are back sis lord. Don't go soprano but she has a piercing, yeah, bro. That's why I'm like, is it you, bro? Because it sounds like it. I don't want to get it wrong. the video short. Cross rock neighbor to Nikali. Cross, do you see what you have started now? And a big shout out to you. Ngibashele ngibashele last ngibashelile mina. The thing is, I'm just here coming to prove my point. Pen, the rest I don't care. Well, I do care about the singing, I do care about you guys' position, and I do care that you guys are also singing other people. Like, I care about all of that, but that's not the point. The point is, that's the best thing to ukurecta kule ngoma le. Right, the album bese na 2 months seyiphumile, because bacale bakhipha ngithi last thing ngeyi-3 zakaMarch bakhipha sikuyeka konke, if I'm not mistaken. Because bakhipha ama-music video ayi-2, bakhipha sikuyeka konke, because I remember sikuyeka konke mangireacta it was midnight. Bayikhipha ngeyi-3 zakaMarch. And then the album, I got a hold of the album, I think around mid-April. Yeah, I think mid-April or late March. And then I reacted to it towards April. So that's why I'm not sure which day I have to go back and look. But somewhere here, and I said by next year this time, people will be singing some of the songs. Was I lying or was I telling the truth? Are we finished or are we done? Guys, make sure you go follow all of one. Go follow everyone. And bam, any favorite of YouTube, I'm saying adios.